Similar to devices you may have at home, a surge protector is a low-cost investment for the safety of your motorhome. By monitoring voltage and amp draw, these systems protect your RV from faulty shore power, electrical issues inside the RV, and more. In our extensive RV parts store, we offer multiple brands in surge and electrical protection, portable and hardware options, and devices available for both 30 and 50 amp power connections. Portable surge protectors offer full protection by simply plugging between the available shore power hookup and your RV power line. Featuring all-weather protection, a digital display, and pull handle, these products are designed for durability and ease of use. We also stock and install permanent hardwire electrical management systems. With this option, your RV will not only be protected from surges and faulty shore power, but you also won't have to worry about theft, forgetting the surge protector at a campsite, or potential weather damage because the hardwired system is installed inside your RV. To learn more about your RV surge protector options, contact a Lichtsinn RV parts or service consultant today.